How we doing, Lions? Happy Tuesday. Let's get crunk up. Previously on Kimba TV. Yeah, Fran, it's got to get going. You might even want to start TPing on the long if it actually works out. You might even want to TP and start shaving before the 65. There's no guarantee that we go to 65. It's the CME that has to sweep 65. Also, no guarantee that it's going to be bearish up there. Oh, nice. Yeah, 64.1 isn't bad either. It's for derivatives, the sweep is 64.686 on Binance, 65 on CME. Shark TV says, where would be a good entry now? Same as yesterday, Shark. Are you caught up? Exclamation YouTube. But I'm waiting for 58. I would love 58. Ooh. Keep an eye on this today. Everybody got Boogammas? There you go. CME doesn't have weekend price action, so none of this bullshit is in there. But it's still maths, ladies and gentlemen. Schwiggity on them! All right, let me know if you guys have any questions. We mathin'. We mathin'. Just check NVIDIA as well. Okay, NVIDIA doing its thing. Okay, okay. They're going to sweep that top. Juice, juice. Kamitz, what's going on? Wazzle says, can you explain full rotation? Sure. So anytime that you have value area high, okay, and value area low, you're going to have rotational plays. Okay, so basic common sense, this is why you want to short deviations outside of value area high and you want to long deviations outside of value area low. So if you have a daily open outside of value and it goes back in and it turns it into support, if it turns it into support, then obviously the EQ and the POC is going to act as resistance, but you have high probabilities of it going to the other side. Same thing the other way. If the daily open is outside of value area high and it goes back in and it turns it into resistance, then you've got a pretty good shot of rotating to the other side. So daily open is outside of value, okay? So value area low, value area high from yesterday, this is daily open. If, okay, it can't turn it in, it can't get rejected at value area low, it's got to get back inside and turn it into support. If that gets turned into support, very high chance you're going to rotate to the other side, the value area high. But I want you to understand how Bing Bong Ding Dong works in general. All right, and it's a lot more complicated than just looking at it and saying, "Oh, it's outside of value area low." There's a full rotation setup, yes, but is it going to happen? No. How do you figure out probabilities if it's actually going to play out? For example, if you go look at Binance data and the daily open is not there, or it's different, or it's inside, then low probability. Where is CME and Coinbase's value area high, value area low, and daily open? So you want to have confluence. You would never just say, oh, daily opened outside of value area low, it's going to full rotate. That is incorrect. Shitcoin Hunter says you always use the last day value area for that, right? For this one that we just talked about, sure, but you also have I'm sure that you can even think about it. Instead of it being previous day, value area low, like this, you can also do higher time frame stuff. For example, previous week, value area low, value area high, weekly open. There could be a higher time frame play. Okay, you could have previous month, value area low, previous month, value area high, monthly open, and you could have higher time frame. All right, shitcoin hunter. So what I would want you guys to nerd out on would just be value, understanding how value works, why I use volume profile. So, all righty. Wassel says, thank you, bro. Do you watch the chance the POC reverse the rotation? 100%. The PD POC and the PD EQ, the previous day point of control and previous day equilibrium, will act as resistance. So this is where I want you guys to see it for yourself. A lot of times you will see this breach value area low. It'll go to the PD EQ, come back, do the bullish retest, and then start going. But I want you guys to see it for yourself. So just keep track of full rotation setups and see how they play out. Dread says, I was wondering, do you stay in your longs and or short based off of the net longs versus net shorts? No. Not just that. I would never enter or close or keep a position open just because of one piece of data. It's the confluence that matters to me. All right, Dread. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Juice. Math. Math. CME. Juice. Juice. Math. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Juice. Math. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Give it to me. Math, 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 math. Let's go. Quit playing. Quit playing. Quit playing. Quit playing. Ow! Kachoi! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, we don't even need this. Let's go. 50. 50. 50. 50. Let's go! Math. 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 Let's go. Let's go. CME. Let's go. And we're going to juice this bitch up all the way down to 58, 59, y'all. How we doing? Juice. All right, let me go see what, oh, you know what? Real quick. Cheers. Stop the music. Hey, happy Tuesday, Lions. Longers, I'm rooting for you. Shorters, I'm rooting for you. Bulls, Bears, we're all Lions. Is there anything that you guys want to talk about? Plans really haven't changed. US 30 says gold took a huge dip today. We looked at gold earlier. Not really. Remember what we said about gold? It's level to level. So this is okay. What I don't want it to lose is this. Okay, what I don't want it to lose is the 25.89. And we're going to go with candle closes. So really, you know that unless it loses that, it's just Bugatti, US 30. So we looked at this earlier, and we've talked about this too, but it's this and this yellow. Losing that is when we start freaking out. But this is all normal, obviously. Mapeda says, would you have any interest maybe looking on some meme coins? Sure. We'll do meme coins, altcoins, shit coins. Leon says, how did you find the entry for the short position? Confluencing levels, okay? But you're going to have another opportunity right here. Leon, don't try to reverse engineer a trade. Okay, Leon, that's not the right way to learn. Start by learning the things that you don't know. So do you know how to draw fibs and significant fib levels? Do you know how to find volume, value area high, range, point of control? Leon, do you know how to read the data? Do you know how to find levels yourself? Do you know how to find volume-based levels? Do you know what TPO is? You're never going to be, it's like you or me just going up to a brain surgeon and asking him how he did the surgery when we don't know shit about medical stuff. Okay? So you trying to reverse engineer how I did it is not the way to learn. Okay? So what is one thing, Leon, that you don't know how to do? Do you know how to read open interest and be able to tell if it's bullish or bearish? Do you know how to look at CVD and tell if it's bullish or bearish? Do you know how to use fibs? Have you nerded out on the different fib levels and their significance? Start with learning. You can't earn until you learn. All right, Leon, I don't know what you don't know, so I could try to explain to you how I took it, but I have a feeling you will have no idea, let alone be able to replicate it. Okay, so figure out what you don't know and then help me help you learn. Okay, there's always a long and a short. Alrighty, so if you can't tell, for example, right now, there's a 3 drives happening. Right now, if you cannot tell me if this is bullish or bearish, then you might be like, wait, I thought you were in a short. Why are you in a long now? All right, you're always going to be trying to figure that shit out. So figure out what it is that you want to learn and just go with that, okay? And as you continue to learn and improve, you're going to be able to figure shit out on your own. All right, Leon? So just pick one thing or ask me something, how to learn one thing, and let's focus on that. All right, Leon? Let's go, my boy. The juice is the juice, Leon. Quit playing with me. But yeah, any questions? And some of you guys, I mean, how many of you guys, there's at least a couple hundred of you guys, in longs, you still have your longs from 60,000, right? There's a bunch of you motherfuckers that still have your longs from 60,000. That's dope, right? There's motherfuckers with 64,000 plus, you know, entry short, you know, talking about, ha, you stupid for waiting for that 65. Hey, I'm in with you. Relax. Chill out. So, Juicy Maguchi, I really wish that we could have touched that blue line, but it's okay. Not that big of a deal. We did what we had to do. And we're going to continue to watch this thing. We got less than 60 seconds on the 30-minute candle close. And we'll continue to watch S&P, though. All right. Exo, Ricky Rampage, what's going on? Yeah, right, what's going on? Boli, what's going on? Glitch, what's going on? Seififu says, just got in. What's his short entry? Just got in. What's his short entry? Just got in. What's his short entry? And you got timed out. Can he still hear me if he's timed out? Brother, you're gonna get fucked if you keep playing that game. And I'm not trying to like gatekeep or anything. I think, wouldn't you much rather know why? You know what I mean? Wouldn't you much rather know why? Who gives a shit what my entry is? Is that going to trigger you to get into a short all the way through to where my entry is? Because that's not even copy trading the right way, okay? If you see me shorting from here, okay, and it's doing this, okay, and I say, and I tell you, you go, Kimba, what's your stop loss? Stop loss and profit right here. Okay, awesome. I'm going to just market short all the way from here to here. I'm shorting, Kimba. I'm shorting, Kimba. I'm shorting, Kimba. I'm shorting, Kimba. Pa-pink. And you hear me go, all right, I got stopped out on profit. Who juicing? No, fuck you. That's net. That's not even copy trading. How do you plan on regular trading the right way if you can't even copy trade the right way? That's not even the right way to copy trade. That's not copy trading. That's you doing some goofy shit and blaming me. So you can see my entries, but I have no idea what kind of value that could possibly pose to you other than getting you triggered some type of way. Shouldn't you be listening to how I wanted to originally short 65 all the way down to 58? Did you watch yesterday's highlights? Happy Tuesday! You guys are the best. Stay safe. I'll check in with you guys in about 2.5 hours, something like that. When I get back for daily candle close, I'll refresh this. HBO documentary is going to be entertaining today. Stay safe, y'all. The math is the math. The juice is the juice. Hey, Sato, tell them what happens if they don't use stop loss, Sato. He's gonna smack the shit out of you.